1, 2, 3. If this is your first time here and you want to know more about the latest promotions and phones at Metro, Cricket, and Boost, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to be the first notified. What's up, JG Nation? Thank you for watching JGTechBlog. It's your boy JG, and for today's video, we're going to be doing a quick benchmark test between the Galaxy A6 and the LG Q7 Plus. Before we start, I want you guys to go ahead and put down in the comment section below which one do you guys think is going to win, the LG or the Galaxy A6. Alright, now that you've paused the video and written down which one you think is going to win, let's go ahead and start this test. So first of all, let's make sure that nothing is running in the background on both phones, just to make it very similar. So I'm going to go ahead first of all and close all the applications, and let's start. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to test them all at one time. 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, there you have it. This is the final numbers, and we have 68,185 on the LG Q7 Plus, while we have 98,774 on the Samsung Galaxy A6. That's a huge difference. I did not think there was going to be a huge gap like that between the Galaxy A6 and the LG Q7, considering that the LG Q7 has a 1.8 GHz octa-core processor with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigabytes of ROM, compared to the Samsung Galaxy A6 that has only 32 gigs of ROM, 3 gigabytes of RAM, and it's only rocking a 1.6 GHz octa-core processor compared to the 1.8 GHz octa-core processor. So let's go ahead and look at the CPU. You are at 42,000 on the Samsung phone, while you're at 34,000 on the LG. For the GPU, you're at 21,000, while you're at 12,000 on the LG phone. And no wonder this phone, the A6, played much better during our gameplay video. If you haven't already watched that, we'll have it linked down below in the description. Your UX ranked at 28,867 compared to 17,544. You have the memory ranking at 5,633 compared to 4,332. But like you guys have seen, even in my full comparison video, the Samsung Galaxy A6 defeated the LG Q7, which was very surprising to us, even considering that the prices are actually the same right now, $299 if you're upgrading. Metro by T-Mobile. By the way, Cricket and Boost Mobile also carry these phones. So now if you guys are going out to make a purchase on this phone, make sure you guys go down below in the description. I did a full comparison between both of these phones so you guys can see which one takes better pictures, which one is faster, which one has better gaming. I'll have those linked down below in the description. Make sure to check out those videos. If I've helped you in any way to make a decision on which phone is best, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified when I upload more videos. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.